Because my friend, I can't talk with you again. Because I listen softly creeping, lest it says I was sleeping, and the vision that was flying my brain still remains within the sound of silence. It has been a long